Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing another toy. Yeah, I just dropped it. Yeah. It's one of those minifigures I unboxed two in another video, but I had another one I forgot. Yeah. Let's unbox it, and this time it's like from Batman. Let me show you the characters that I can get. So these are the characters. Seems pretty cool. And I think like they connect, so I have two that connect. I'm not gonna get them. I think I left them in the car, so I don't know, but let's see. How do you get this up? Oh, there's tape on it. Uh-huh. This tape is hard to get off. So I will be back when I have the tape off. Alright. I got it off now. It's time to see who I get. So, let's see. Ooh, this looks cool. I got this one. Nice. You can like check them off. And just watch so you can check off. Look at this. Look at this one. This is super rare Batman. How rare is it? Just say like the odds, because like some things do. I don't think this one does. But hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.